We all know the brain is the command center, but did you know your gut has a mind of its own? It's true. Hidden within the walls of your intestines lies a complex network of neurons, often referred to as the second brain. This intricate system doesn't write poetry or solve equations, but it does hold surprising sway over your mood, your sleep, even your ability to think clearly. Think of your gut as a bustling city. Millions of microbes, bacteria, fungi, viruses live within it, creating a diverse ecosystem called the gut microbiome. These tiny tenants aren't just freeloaders, they play a vital role in digestion, immune function, and, you guessed it, brain health. For years, scientists believed the brain held all the cards, sending instructions to the body with little input in return. Now we're realizing it's a two-way street. The gut, through its own nervous system and the trillions of microbes calling it home, constantly communicates with the brain, influencing everything from our emotional well-being to our risk of developing neurological diseases. Imagine a bustling highway connecting two major cities. That's the vagus nerve, a long meandering nerve acting as the information superhighway between your gut and your brain. This vital pathway carries messages in both directions, allowing for constant communication between these two crucial organs. When your stomach growls with hunger, the vagus nerve sends that signal up to the brain, letting you know it's time to eat. But the communication goes much deeper than simple hunger pangs. The trillions of microbes residing in your gut also speak to the brain via the vagus nerve, influencing mood, sleep, and even cognitive function. Intriguingly, research has shown that stimulating the vagus nerve can have therapeutic effects on certain conditions. Vagus nerve stimulation, which involves implanting a device that sends electrical impulses to the nerve, is now being used to treat epilepsy, depression, and even inflammatory bowel disease, highlighting the powerful influence of this gut-brain connection. Remember those trillions of microbes living in your gut? They're not just passive passengers. These tiny organisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome, have a surprising influence on your mood, behavior, and even your risk of developing mental health conditions. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden. A healthy, diverse microbiome is like a lush garden teeming with a variety of plants, each contributing to the overall health and resilience of the ecosystem. An imbalanced microbiome, on the other hand, is like a garden overrun by weeds, disrupting the delicate balance and leaving it vulnerable to disease. Studies have shown that people with depression and anxiety often have different gut microbiome compositions compared to healthy individuals. While more research is needed to fully understand this complex relationship, scientists believe that gut microbes can influence the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which play a key role in regulating mood and emotions. We all experience occasional brain fog, those moments when our minds feel sluggish and our thinking seems cloudy. But what if those mental lapses were linked to inflammation originating in the gut? Emerging research suggests that a leaky gut could be a contributing factor to brain fog and other cognitive issues. Imagine the lining of your gut as a tightly woven fabric, preventing harmful substances from leaking into the bloodstream. When this barrier becomes compromised, a condition known as leaky gut, undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins can escape, triggering an immune response and widespread inflammation. This inflammation isn't confined to the gut. It can spread throughout the body, including the brain, where it can disrupt cognitive function, impair memory, and even contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases. By reducing inflammation and healing the gut lining, we can potentially improve brain function and protect against cognitive decline. As we've seen, the connection between our gut and brain is profound. But how can we take steps to heal our gut and, in turn, support our brain health? The first step is to adopt a diet rich in whole foods. Think plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut, helping to restore balance. In addition to dietary changes, consider incorporating prebiotics and probiotics into your routine. Prebiotics are fibers that feed the good bacteria, while probiotics are live bacteria that add to the population of healthy microbes in your gut. Managing stress is another crucial factor. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut health, so practices like mindfulness, meditation, and regular exercise can make a significant difference. Lastly, be mindful of medications and substances that can harm the gut lining, such as antibiotics and excessive alcohol. By making these lifestyle changes, you can help repair a leaky gut, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you.